My bathroom was falling apart. So we didn't take a bath here. Um, we had to wait for the sun to come down because I was a bit held up with a lot. Hello, my beautiful lovelies. Welcome back to my memoirs and a fresh page from my diary. It is a beautiful sunny afternoon, and yesterday I just realized that my bathroom was falling apart. So we didn't take a bath here. We had to wait for the sun to come down because I was a bit held up with a lot, and I didn't make the time to do anything to make this place usable. So today I told myself I have to do something about this. So I have a rough idea. I'm just going to use what I have to cover this place because this is what came apart. I think because of wear and tear. Now everything is falling apart in my shamba. My toilet, I'm sure you've seen that video by now. My toilet is out of bounds because it's attempting to cave in. And then now I have my bathroom. So let's see what we are going to do. This is the idea I have. There's this, sorry for the wind, there's this ladder. I'm thinking of leaning it against this um, this post here so that it can support this. Actually, I'm thinking of raising this thing, this part of the wall, and then let it touch this post, and then lean the ladder on top. You'll understand when you see it. It's just like a small vision I had. And then for this side is very open, so I'm going to look for something. I already have it in my garbage yard, my junkyard. I'll just figure out how I'm going to cover this place up so that this place can be a bit presentable, kind of. So let's see. So what I'm using is the ladder, and then let me show you what I had in mind for for the covering of that space, which is very open. I have this junkyard. I'm telling you, I've been a bit lazy of late, so forgive my untidiness. This is my junkyard. I've always had this um, thing of tidying this place up because everything is everywhere, everything is a mess. So I need to get rid of the things which are not useful and then arrange the things which are useful, at least in a decent, well organized heap. Yeah. So what I was talking about is this thing. It's bought from the hardware. We bought the whole roll. It was around 10, I think it was 10 meters long by 1 meter, if I'm not wrong. And this is what people use for flooring, but we bought it instead to fix a temporary quick fix for the bathroom and for the toilet back then when we didn't have the idea of mudding. We were just looking for a very quick way to fix up the place without spending much. So this is what has remained of it, and I'm thinking of taking a part of it and then draping it over that space which is open. So yeah, let's do that before the sun sets so that today we can bathe at a decent hour. Yeah. Okay, that wasn't so hard. I took about, I think, 7 to 10 minutes to set it up. So let's see how it looks like. Let's just pass through here. I don't like passing through this place. I need to clear it. It's very scary. These are the struggles I went through just making this. Anywho, drum rolls please. Ta-da! Look at what I've done. Okay, so yeah, I had a vision and it has come to life. This is what it looks like. So the ladder, I've placed it here with the support of these stones. It will hold that side. It won't fall down because it's a bit heavy. So it will hold that up so that this post will firmly stand, it won't fall. As for this part, let me fix my mic. I'm back. Sorry, I was holding my mic so I couldn't use my hand. Well, this is steady now for now because of the ladder, and I couldn't do much about this, so it will just have to stay like that. Though it leaves this place very open, but it's okay because we don't have any traction on this side of the shamba. Remember, the road is on this side. This is the most important part to cover. Then the kanga will do for that side, which is okay. And then this has covered well here. I just put it over nothing much. I just put it there, tucked it in here, kidogo, and then I tucked this under this stick so that it remains firm. And then I put this behind this, and yeah, I think we have a decent place to shower today. Let me finish up on this. Yeah, so lean on this, and there we are. I think we are good. So no more bathing, waiting for the sun to come down, then bathe. This can do for the time being. It's not that much, but it's okay. This place was very, very, very bushy, but I decided to weed off everything. So right now it's very clean. And yeah, it was giving me Green Mamba vibes. So nikasema no, I know I have back problems, but let me try and at least do something about it. So I cleaned it off, and this is the other part that is remaining. The rest of the place is very, very bushy. So I'm going to do something about that. Here, this one is not a problem. When somebody comes to take a bath, for those of us who use towels, you can drape it here, or lassos can cover up that. So this side is not really a problem. The problem is mainly this side, because somebody can easily see you. So yeah, that is my small bathroom makeover. I have a notion that has been going through my mind. When you see things are not working out, things are breaking down. I don't know if I've said this before, but things are my toilet is not working. My bathroom has also crumbled in its own way, and things are not really working out. But I believe that when things stop working out, something bigger is coming. So let me just do this, but I know deep down my heart that things will get better and things will change, and I am going to, or rather we are going to make a better bathroom and a better toilet and a better house. Yeah. So yes, that is it. I think this one is usable for today. So let us see how that is going to be. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hustle and bustle of off-grid. If I'm learning how to use what I have to make the best of what I don't have. Yes, how to use what I have to make what is not functioning function. And now that hubby is usually not around, so yeah, everything falls on me. And if your pocket is tight, then you have to figure out a way of how to survive. And that is off-grid life for you. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in catch you on, is it on or in? My next one looks from that side. Yeah, so let me catch you next time. Bye.